This is my favorite Upstart song. Monster truck, math, first, middle, last. Upstart's my school I do on a computer. And when you see this song, go get it.
Trucks, oh, everyone's having a blast. 'Cause here in the battle of the monster truck, see who's first, middle, and last. Oh, nobody wants to be last. Frozen in time, they're behind the line, waiting for the light to turn green. Oh, well, the light turns green and they're tearing through the mud to see who's first, middle, last. They slide in the puddle, give the fans beside the track a great big splash. Now comes the time, Mud Mountain to climb. Who's first to arrive at the top? Who's on top? Ah, with the rev of the engine, they come crashing down. First, middle, and last. To the sound of thunder, all the cars down under get squished, flattened, and smashed. Push to the tape, all mouths are agape. The finish takes shape, see who won. First, middle, and last. All the fans beside getting splashed. All the cars are gonna be smashed. All the cameras start to flash.
Upstart's my school I do on a computer. And when you see this song, go get it.
So it's fun?
It is fun.
Have you learned a lot with Upstart?
It also has free time. That's the song it's on.
What kind of stuff do you learn in Upstart?
There's games, books, and songs. The only things in Upstart.
Is there any math?
There's a lot of math. That Monster Truck song was a math game.
Oh, what about science?
There's science after math.
And so does it
And if you want to learn about news, go get it. Science Songs has a news game.
That sounds fun.
Yeah.
So you all ready for kindergarten because of Upstart?
I still need to do a lot more. There's a clock song you may want on Upstart. And you should get Car Subtracted. It's all about minus.
First, middle, and last. To the sound of thunder, all the cars down under get squished, flattened, and smashed. Push to the tape, all mouths are agape. The finish takes shape, see who won. First, middle, and last.